So on the bench today we've got a UMP 45 stripped down. What I'm doing here is adding a mag prime to it because it's something that doesn't necessarily have, well, it doesn't have anything really because it comes as a shell, so all the gearbox stuff you've got to add yourself. So if you want to put a mag prime in it, you got to do it yourself. And I was looking at the mag prime on the UMP, or the UMP as I like to call it, just because. So it's got this, the HK charging handle that locks up here, and it's all very cool. You can slap it and all that sort of good stuff, but it doesn't actually do anything in the real world. Well, in the gel ball real world, it would do something in the real. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a micro switch. We see this? Focus. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, camera. You can do it. No, you can't do it. Alright, it's not going to do it. It's a micro switch. Trust me. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to take that and apply it roughly in this area here, and then we'll be able to use our charging handle to actually prime the mag, which will be cool. Come with me on this magical journey. Alright, there we go. Mag Prime feature installed and ready to go. And if you ask, I think it was Alexander McLucas, the most important feature of this whole mag priming function is this. And there you go. HK UMP 45 mag prime. 2 thumbs up.